So I got this As Seen on TV titanium stripped screw remover at Home Depot, I believe, right around Black Friday. And today I finally get a chance to use it in April. So it comes with these 4 bits. I have one in my hand, so 4 bits. And I'm going to use this one to try to take out this stripped screw right here. And according to the directions, you use this cutting end, if I don't know if we'll be able to see it, as opposed to the gripping end for removing it. But we're going to use the cutting end, which is shown right here on the directions, 1, 2, 3 directions in the back. But whatever, we're going to stick it in here in the impact, and I'm going to do a little drilling, and then after that we will try to remove this stripped out screw. So I guess maybe I should put on some kind of safety glasses, huh? There we go, especially if I'm going to be down here. All right, here we go. Next time I should probably try to hit it with a little WD-40. In fact, I'm going to pause. Bits always cut quicker or better if you keep them cool with a little lubricant, so I'm going to put that on there and get back to it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Just about there. All right. Not 100% sure how far you're supposed to go down, according to the directions. Da-da-da, da-da-da. All right, it looks simple enough. I'm going to give it a shot, see what happens. So here we go. I'm flipping the bit around, and hopefully put this on reverse. And see what happens. Nothing good. All right, I'm gonna try to drill a little deeper and see what comes of that. Just flipping this thing around off the frame, but out of frame. All right, there we go. Give that another shot. It's getting kind of smoky. Hit it again. The lube, whatever your preferred lube. Still smoking. Keep that sucker cool so it doesn't ruin my bit. One more shot here. All right. Give this thing another shot. I'm imagining this is going to be pretty hot right this second, so be careful with that. Flip it back in. Let's see what happens. Back when I used to do this in the Navy, we would have tapped this thing with a hammer first. Doesn't say to do that, but see what happens here. it started to come out, and then it stopped. I think I just need to be a hair deeper, or perhaps I needed to start with the bigger bit. Let me see, because this thing was in pretty bad shape. Huh. That's big though. Once I go there, I can't go back. So I'm going to stick with the one I have and see what happens there. A little bit of lube. Story of my life. A little bit of lube. All right, here we go. Back to the forward. Try flipping it again. I'm sure again it's going to be hot, I imagine. Flip it, flip it. Let's see. All right, backwards and so it's the first time I tried it. As far as it obviously it got the screw out, so that's good. I'm gonna move this hair without the camera falling. So again, I got the screw out. You saw I had it tilted a little bit. Maybe I wasn't drilled far enough in. I don't really know, but it got the screw out. That's what happened. That's what matters. That's what I bought it for. So I'm calling this as seen on TV speed out a success. And that's it. Have a good one. Thanks again for joining me for another episode of doing stuff with a guy who's got no idea what he's doing.